Do you want to make money from where you sit? Well, you can. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can make money from just where you sit. Who wouldn't want to earn money from home anyway? I mean, you literally don't have to go anywhere to work. You will be able to work wherever you are. We are gonna talk about freelancing. You probably know what a freelancer means since you search and click in this video, but let me explain it real quick. Basically, freelancing is working on your own. You don't have a boss that gives you an amount of money every month, and you don't have to go to the office every day from 9 AM to 5 PM. Yeah, you are self-employed. So in this video, I'm gonna show you 5 freelancing websites. Our first site is Fiverr. I guess most of you have heard of Fiverr before, but the reason that I put Fiverr at the top of the list is because to work on Fiverr, you just need to be older than 13. So if you're a teenager and you're looking for ways to make money online as a teenager, Fiverr is just right for you. By the way, all you need to do is to start working here on Fiverr is to create an account, set up your profile, and create your gigs. So if you're wondering how you're gonna create an account, don't worry. I'll show you. I have a link in the description below, and if you click that link, you will come to this page. Then you can create your account with Facebook, with Google, with Apple, or just with your email. I'm gonna go with email. And after creating your account, to become a seller, you need to click your profile picture in the main menu and click become a seller. After that, you came on such a page that says become a seller, and after that is more personal. Let me show you. You click continue, which you have to read them. And after that, you need to set your name, your profile picture, your description, how many languages you know, your professional info, your linked accounts, such LinkedIn, Facebook, I don't know, whatever else. I'm not gonna show you that steps, but if you need any help, there are plenty of videos on YouTube which you can watch. After creating your account, setting up your profile and creating your gigs, you can just wait for a client to come and order from you, or you can share your gigs with your friends, with your people around you, with your followers on social media, if you have, which every single person has a social media account in 2021. And don't be afraid of not being able to find a work to do. There are many categories of work you can do here. You can do graphic designing like I do, you can do digital marketing, writing and translation, scripts, video animation, music, programming, business, lifestyle. I mean, there are plenty of categories you can do. Now let's get to our second website. Our second website is Upwork. Upwork is a little bit different than Fiverr. On Fiverr, you create a gig and you get paid for the project. But on Upwork, you get paid hourly. And you need to be older than 18 to work on Upwork, which I ran into this problem while I was creating an account on Upwork to work. Nice. And you can understand that Upwork is a little bit more professional than Fiverr. By the way, if you have more specific questions, you can ask them to me in the comment section, or you can just come to the website that I have the link of the website in the description. Here in the main menu, it explains how it works. You post a job which is free, bids come to you, which that means that clients find you, and when they do, they contact you. And if you come to a joint decision at the end of the conversation, you get the job and get paid. Also, there is plans which are not necessary, but if you want to take a look at what they provide to you, you can come here and read what they provide to you. So let's see our third website. Our third website is freelancer.com. Freelancer.com is the largest crowdsourcing marketplace with 32 million registered users. And it's a bit like Upwork. You can get paid both with hourly price and with fixed project price. Also, you can post your jobs so clients will find you, or you can find clients that share their needs and you send a request to them. This feature actually exists on Fiverr too. Fiverr has a buy request section in your profile. But there is a bad thing about freelancer.com. You can make at most 8 requests per month, and when you use all that 8, then you have to wait for a client to find you. Yeah. Or you can switch to another membership. If you switch to the intro package, you will get 15 bits per month, and if you upgrade to the basic with $5 per month, you can get 50 bits per month, and if you switch to the plus membership, which has 1 month free trial, you get 100 bits per month, and so on. Let's move on to our next website. Our fourth website is Behance. I don't know how to pronounce it. Behance doesn't have to do with the 3 websites that I just mentioned. Behance is a little bit different. Here you don't create gigs or you get paid hourly. Actually, it depends on you. Behance is a place to upload your works. And if you don't have any work, then I don't know, do something. You don't necessarily have to show a job that made for a real company or for a real person. Just do something good, even for no one, just for yourself. After creating your portfolio, people will see your work, and who knows who will hire you. But there is a thing, Behance is not like the websites that I mentioned before. So the person that will hire you will contact you via email or your phone number, or I don't know, with whatever you put on your profile. And the way that you will get paid, it also depends on you, which you won't have fees because there won't be a company between the freelancer and the client to get a commission. So you are more independent. By the way, Behance has a job section which people put their requests and you can contact them to work together. Now let's move on to our fifth and final website. Our fifth and final website is People Per Hour. People Per Hour is a UK based company and it's similar to the websites like I mentioned before, except Behance. Actually, it's very similar to Fiverr. If we take a look at the website, we will see, but I leave it up to you to interpret the site. People Per Hour also has similar work categories like Fiverr. You can do programming, writing, translation, design, digital marketing, video, animation, business, music, and more. And frankly, if I need to give an advice, I would say to work both on these websites. I mean, you can get even more job opportunities, and I think that would be the smartest choice. You can get orders both from Fiverr and People Per Hour. Actually, if you want, you can work on all of these websites that I talked about for more changes to get a job. So that was our final website, guys. And that was all for this video. In this video, I talked about how you can make money just from where you sit without leaving your home. And I showed you 5 freelancing websites. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope the video was useful for you. If you liked the video, I would be glad if you subscribe to my channel and like the video below. See you in the next videos. Bye. By the way, that was my first YouTube video, except high YouTube video, and I know that my English is not so good. Not on... What is this little toy? So much light here. Good. Not on grammar or on vocabulary, but on pronunciation, and my accent is a little bit weird, but I'm trying to improve it. Damn it! Boy. Hey. So, thank you. I can't finish the video. Come on, come on, come on. We can do that. Come on, come on. That's good, right? I don't need that light. Look at me. Thank you. Okay, got it. Okay, that's enough. I can't do more. I can take it.